Good morning, everybody. It's Ty, the real estate guy. Welcome to another episode of A Day in the Life of a New Home Salesperson. Today's July 11th, and once again, I'll be sitting outside of our model home, which is currently under construction, and it is supposed to be smoking hot, over 100 degrees today. So yes, I will be getting sweaty. So the first task of the day is to stop by the grocery store and grab some balloons because I want people to know we are alive and kicking today and we are ready to sell some houses. So here we go, run into the store real quick. Okay, so this will be my third weekend to sit out at the model home, which is still under construction. And so far I have sold 0. So that sucks. Anyway, last Saturday was the 4th of July, and so I sat out on Friday instead of Saturday. Pretty sure that was a mistake. I didn't see anybody. Okay, so for those of you that watched last week's episode, you know that my dilemma has been that the model home for the competing home builder was busy last Saturday, and only one person came over and talked to me. So the whole point today is to try all these new things, and I'll show you in a minute, to try to get those people who are visiting the model home to come visit me over where my model home is just barely being framed. You can see they've changed our sign, so it says now selling. And the model home is coming along extremely slow. They're just barely starting on the second floor. But the good news is that we have our first spec home or quick move-in home has started the framing process. Okay, so I'm starting the day by making a bunch of packets. This gives people all the information they're going to need. I've got about 6 packets done. I'll probably do another 10 or so because I'm bored. But basically it's going to give you the exterior looks of the homes, the pricing. I put my own notes on here. It gives you the floor plan, the included features, and then of course the home sites that are available. So each person, as they come here, they can just pull up real quick. I can hand them the pricing, they can move along. So I am confident and feeling better that this week will be better. And I've done a lot to prep to get people to come over. I have some new signs. I'll show you those today. As you know, I blew up some balloons. You can see those back there. So I have got the area set up to attract people a lot better than I did 2 Saturdays ago when I only met one person. So anyways, I have high hopes that things will go better today, hoping to pick up a couple good leads and maybe, just maybe, sell a house. Okay, we are almost there, which means I have about 45 minutes of setup, maybe a half hour if I work really fast. But it's so hot outside already, I don't want to get all sweaty and nasty. So I'm going to take it easy and try to get this place set up before 11 a.m. Okay, it's almost 11 a.m. You can see I got my tent set up behind me, and I get the model home here being framed. It's almost done. So I'm going to flip the camera around really quick and give you kind of a view of what I'm doing to drive traffic to me. Okay, so if you look right here, you can see we have the competition's model home. It's been completed for about a month now, and they have made a few sales. And if you look right over here, you got our model home, and I have this sign right here, kind of across the street from their model saying, keep on coming. You're almost to a better builder. Bigger home for a better price. So if we fast forward to here, you can see right over here, I've got another sign saying, look that way, where I'm right here. And then we come upon the tent here, and once again, you can see our model home is being framed right there. Got a neon sign telling people drive up pricing right here. And then reminding people once again, come on, stop in. Got a picture of what this home will look like. And of course, my Alpine Homes table. And on this table, of course, you can see we've got registration cards, my water, Germex, and my mask. And right here, we have price sheets and information on the community. Back up a little bit, you can see my sign right here from when I'm not here, so people know who to call. And then I've got my truck right here. Once again, I've thrown some big magnets on this truck to attract attention. And that is parked right here in front of the model home. And I'm actually gonna do a model home tour right now of this house, and that will be a separate video. And then of course, right next door here, we have the first quick move-in home. That home is just listed on the MLS 2 days ago, available for sale. Okay, so it's about 2 o'clock p.m. Oh, those people are gone now. I guess I don't need to wear this, but it's about 2 o'clock p.m. now, and I've only talked to 2 people, and neither one of them were really interested in giving me their personal information. So it is what it is. It's currently about 95 degrees out here, and it is hot. I am sweating. I don't think you can see it on camera, but it's hot. So anyway, hopefully this sitting out here every Saturday in 90+ degree weather pays off. We shall see. Okay guys, we are in front of the model home here, and I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what this house looks like at this point of construction. Let's head inside. Okay, you can see the 2-car garage here, and if you come this way, this leads inside the front door. Stepping inside, you have an entry. This comes in from the garage, and this leads to an office or a bedroom, and you can put a bathroom right there in that little corner. Heading up the stairs, you'll find the main living area. We're coming here to the family room, and then the kitchen and the dining area, leading out to a deck or a covered porch here. Now we'll head upstairs where you'll find the bedrooms. All right, when you reach the top of the stairs, you've got a laundry room straight here in front of me. If you look this way, you'll have the master bedroom. Look at those incredible views for now anyways. And then it leads into the master bathroom and the master closet. Let's step out back to where the hallway is, and you can see you get another bathroom in this location and 2 more bedrooms in these locations. Well, that was just a quick tour. As I said earlier, I will give you a full detailed tour of this home in a video coming up very shortly. Well, it's 4 o'clock p.m. and I'm about to go crazy because once again, the model home across the street has been busy and no one is coming over to see me. So, it must make a difference just having this versus that behind me. You get all the people who actually want to walk through a home. I'm not getting those people, but you'd think people come over to at least get pricing and see how we compare, because we got a sign over here showing what the house is going to look like. Got signs over there. Got a sign outside the truck. Got signs over here like crazy, just come on over real quick. It just takes a minute. And if you come over, you're going to find out that you're going to get a bigger house for a lot less money. But, what can you do? I guess we'll just keep trying, because there's no point of quitting, right? Because only losers quit, and I'm not a loser, and I'm not a quitter. But it is frustrating, I'm not gonna lie to you. So, truth of the matter is, these homes will sell. It just takes patience, and that's something I'm always short on. So, anyways, I guess 1 more hour to go. Okay, that, my friends, was a long, hot day. I am seriously feeling a little heat stroke-ish. Anyways, that was a tough day. I did meet 3 people. I kind of had to step out on the road twice to kind of stop people so they could see my pricing. I don't know why people just want to see the model homes and don't want to just stop by and grab my pricing. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But anyway, so I did get 3 new leads today. My fingers are crossed that at least one of those people will feel interested and want to move forward. But really, that's it for today. I just want to thank you for watching. Remember to please hit the subscribe button below and ring that little bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Also, don't forget, you can find me on Instagram at Ty the Real Estate Guy. So that's it. Thanks. Oh, and please, if you have any questions or comments, please leave your remarks below, and we'll just catch you next time. Thanks.